On a bike like this at any point, ever?
Yes.
Okay.
That guy, Greg, Moto Jitsu.
Yeah?
Yeah, I rode with him.
Okay, so you understand. So you're gonna hold on with your feet and your thighs and your hands on the gas tank. If you want to squeeze, your hands are on the gas tank and you squeeze with your elbows. I'm not gonna bother like shifting my butt like maybe we could and should to go faster, but that's not gonna I'm not gonna do that. So just focus on head, shoulder movement, looking through the turn with me. I'm gonna exaggerate that a little bit. And we're just gonna do nice lines, nice braking, nice shifting. That's it. When we come down the front, if I grab your hand and put it around my waist, that means hold on with both, because I'll just accelerate for fun. Yeah. That's all. And then once we get back into the turns, you can chill, hand on the gas tank, and move on. Okay.
Don't be stiff.
Don't be what?
Don't be stiff.
Don't be stiff. No.
You are the best.
Yeah. And, you know, just like I said, inner thigh, core. You know, the best passengers are super chill up top.
Yeah.
You know? Yeah.
I've ridden passenger a lot, but not on. Oh wait.
You go. That's what I do all day. You go. You no.
You know. You know.
You no again no. That's funny. All right, we're gonna be so super chill. I'm just looking for the right lines. That's all. You're way up there.
Huh?
You're way up there. Yeah. Stay on the balls of your feet.
Okay.
Right?
Yep.
Why don't you take it out?
What?
The bike. You want to go?
No.
No?
That's why I didn't want to take the last round. I wanted you to.
Okay.
What?
Was that good? I don't know. Huh?
What the f***?
Yeah, it's the bike. The bike.
Bro. It's not the bike.
Okay, maybe it's not all the bike.
Looking? That was some exorcism shit. You were literally looking. I don't even know where.
I was not even looking far enough through, because I can't, because my body's not in that position. Yeah. But it'll make all the difference. If you're not doing that already, this is a big issue. This is like a big hole in your lap and your skill set.
You're looking. Are you looking? You're looking past? Are you looking at the ground?
No, not at all. Peripherally, I understand where the tire is you know, on the curb in relation to the curb, but I'm looking at my exit, I'm looking at my apex ahead. Then after I know I'm going to go to the apex, I have no choice. I already chose my line and my speed and my lean. Nothing can possibly change unless I do something stupid. As soon as I know I can set it and forget it, I'm looking ahead. Once I can set it and forget it, you remember that damn rotisserie infomercial?
I always say that. Yeah.
Set this fucker and forget it.
You trust your line.
Yeah.
You set it and you forget.
That's right. You immediately forget it and you start looking ahead.
But yeah, when you trust only this far, then you're looking only this far.
That's right.
You trust this part, you gotta trust that part, and so you're fucked.
That's a good point.
You know?
That's a good point. So take your time. You're doing everything perfect. Let that trust come to you. If you have your set angle, your set speed, your set throttle control, and if you change nothing, absolutely nothing's going to change, unless you change the input to the motorcycle, which is braking, throttle, or lean angle. But you're not going to do that because you already know you're going where you're supposed to go.
Sometimes though, like, you know, in those that is like a turn, and then it kind of goes a little bit straight, and then another turn.
Yeah.
So you come in, right?
Yeah.
You let it take you wide.
Yeah.
So that you can take that.
Yeah. That's just knowing the track, because you can't see. I can't see through that. It's so flat, or it's crested. Yeah, that's just knowing the track and having faith that your memory is correct.
Yeah.
You know. Yeah.
Wow. And that's not even fast.
No. Yeah, no, that's like, you know, C level. No, that's like C plus maybe. That's not true. C plus, B minus, I think.
Okay.
It's hard to tell.
I'm not there.
You're right where you're supposed to be.
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm gonna give you a ride back to the pits.
Let's go. Do your thing. That honestly was like the most amazing fucking.
Really? It's taken this long? You've been the best passenger.
Really?
I could have kept going, but I was like, I wanted you to ride it, but yeah. Absolutely. No, I'm done. We're good.
I felt like I was you.
Good.
You got this.
Good. Awesome.